Hello students, I am Vandana and you are watching Vandana Online Academy. In today's lecture, we are going to understand what is graphical method of solving simultaneous linear equations. Okay, so we will understand how to draw the graph of a linear equation in two variable on a graph paper. So for drawing any graph on a graph paper, you have to understand some of the basic important things related to graph. Here, the first thing is axis. So, for your understanding, I have drawn these axis here on the board. You can see the horizontal line here. This is called your x-axis. Okay. And this vertical line you can see, this is called your y-axis. So, for drawing any graph, first on the graph paper, what you are going to do? You have to draw the axis, the x-axis, the horizontal line, and the y-axis. Okay. Now, second thing, you are going to mention the numbers on the axis. So here you can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This side you have to write positive numbers, and again this side you have to write negative numbers. If you are writing 1, 2, 3, 4 here, so this side you are going to write -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 like that. Understood? Now next is y-axis. On the upper side, you are going to show positive numbers, and lower side, you are going to show negative numbers. So this is your axis, x-axis and y-axis. Understood? Now second thing is we need to understand points on xy plane. Now what is xy plane? This is your xy plane where you have x-axis and y-axis. Okay. So suppose if you have any point in this xy plane, so we can take one point here. Suppose I'm taking this point. Okay. So this is any point P. Now, if you need to tell the position of this point, how we are going to tell that? See, we have to check the distance from x-axis and the distance from y-axis. So to understand that, I will draw one line. When I am drawing this line, it is coming on 4. So distance from x-axis, it is 4. And what is the distance from y-axis that we need to draw the line? This is 6. Okay. So the position of this point P from x-axis is 4 and from y-axis is 6. So 4, 6 is the position of this point P. Okay. So in this way, you can plot any point, any given point on a graph paper. Now, next thing is what is ordered pair. So what do we mean by ordered pair? See, the distance from x-axis, this is called x coordinate. Okay. And distance from y-axis, this is called y coordinate. And that is why it is also known as Cartesian coordinate system. So here x coordinate we are writing and then y coordinate we are writing. So this is called an ordered pair within bracket. So when we are showing like this, the x coordinate, y coordinate, this becomes an ordered pair. Now next is graph of a linear equation in two variables. We have studied in standard 9. The graph of a linear equation in two variable is always a straight line. ये हमने पढ़ा है स्टैंडर्ड 9 में और हमने ड्रॉ भी किया है. ठीक है. तो अभी हमें क्या करना है? अभी हमें सॉल्यूशन फाइंड आउट करना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ ग्राफ ऑफ two linear equations we have to draw, and then we have to find the solution using graph. Okay. So now next thing is scale. See, we have graph like this. Sorry, graph paper like this. Okay. So from the market you can buy this small notebook is this. अभी ये ग्राफ पेपर जो है हमारे पास, इसमें हमको क्या करना है? सिमिलरली हम ऐसे ही एक्स एक्सिस वाई एक्सिस ड्रॉ करने वाले. ठीक है. तो अभी यहाँ पर आपको देखिए बड़े बड़े ब्लॉक्स दिखेंगे जो छोटे छोटे 10 स्मॉल ब्लॉक से बने हुए. तो ये जो हमारा एक बिग वाला ब्लॉक है, इसका हम मेजरमेंट है हमारा 1 सेंटीमीटर. तो हम स्केल हमेशा ग्राफ पेपर में लिखेंगे. दैट इज वी आर गोइंग टू राइट this 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit, and on both the axes. This you need to write in every question. Okay, so now we will see what are the steps to draw the graph of a linear equation. Okay, see students, you need to understand it very clearly. This you have studied in coordinate geometry also. Now we will write what are the steps. steps of drawing the graph of a linear equation. So first step we need to solve is find the ordered pair. Just now I explained what is ordered pair. Okay. So we will find the ordered pair for both the equations. Whatever equations are given, linear equations, we will find the ordered pair. Second point is plot the points on graph paper. Plot the points on graph paper. Okay. Now next point is find the point of intersection. That I will discuss when I will draw. So for this, we will take one example. Suppose I am taking the example is x plus y is equals to 4. Okay. And second example is, second equation is 2x minus y equals to 2. Okay. Now, we will apply all these steps. Okay. Accordingly, we will find. See, today, for this example, I am solving on the board. When we will solve practice questions, we will do on the graph paper for better understanding. Okay. So first step, we need to find the ordered pair. So for this equation, how we are going to find the ordered pair? For finding any ordered pair, we have to put the value of x to find the values of y. How? So for that, we are going to make a table like this. See, I am making this table. So you have to always make a table where you are writing like this. Just look at the board. Y, x, y. Okay. So what we are going to do? Now, we will take the values of x 0, 1, 2, 3 and accordingly we will solve and we will get the values of y. So here I am writing 0, 1, 2, 3. At least you can find 4 values. So I am taking up to 3. Okay. And then we are going to put the value of x in this equation and find the value of y. Okay. So here it is given x plus y is equals to 4. So when we are keeping x is equals to 0, we are getting what? 4, isn't it? So we will write here. Again, we will keep the value of x 1. So 1 plus y is equal to 4. This will give 4 minus 1, that is 3. So this will be 3. Understood? Now we will keep the value 2. So here I am putting 2 plus y is equals to 4. This will give y is equals to 2. Yes? So we will keep 2 here. Now again, for x equals to 3, we will get y is equals to 1. 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. Okay, so we will write 1 here. Now this much understood? First we will take the value of x like 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, or any value you can take. 5, 6, 8, 9, minus 14. Okay, so accordingly for the value of x, with respect to the value of x, you have to find the value of y to plot the points on the graph paper. Okay, so now we will write x comma y. Here it is 0 comma 4. See, we have to find the ordered pair now. So x coordinates and y coordinates. So 1 comma 3, 2 comma 2, and then last 3 comma 1. This much understood? So for first equation, we have understood how to find out the order pair. Now for the second equation, again we will do the same thing. We have to draw a table. We will take the value of x. So again we are taking 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we will calculate, we will find out the value of y. So now this values of x, you have to keep it equation number second. This is your first equation and this is your second equation. So we will put the value of x. So we will keep 0. So we will get, see, this will become 0 and y is equals to minus 2. So we will write here minus 2. because this minus will go this side. Okay. Now 1. So we will keep 2 into 1 minus y equals to 2. So here we will get 2. This will go that side. We will get 0. Okay. Now 2. We will keep 2 multiply 2 minus y is equals to 2. Again it becomes 4. So 4 minus y equal to 2 or 4 minus 2 equal to y equal to 2. So this we will get 2. Okay. Now again we will put the value of x is 3. 2 into 3 minus y equals to 2. 2 3 is 6 minus y equal to 2 or 6 minus 2 equals to y. So y is equals to 4 we get. So here we will write 4. So what are the ordered pairs? X comma y is 0 comma minus 2, 1 comma 0, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 4. This much understood? Now, second step is plot the points on graph paper. So on graph paper, first you need to draw the axis, x-axis, y-axis, show the numbers. This side positive numbers, this side negative numbers, upper side on y-axis positive numbers, here negative numbers. Then second thing, you are going to write the scale. That is 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit on both the axes. Okay. Now, these ordered pairs you need to plot on these axes. So first point is 0 comma 4. So here 0. See, I mean 0 for both the axes. No, 0 is here only on the axis. Okay. क्योंकि ये जो 1 मीटर की 1 सेंटीमीटर की डिस्टेंस है वो हमारा इतना 1 है, तो यहाँ से 0 हमारा स्टार्ट होता है. ठीक है. So 0,4 it will come 0 and on y axis 4. So it is here somewhere. This much understood? ये हमारा मिल रहा है 0,4. Next we will write plot 1,3. So here it is 1 and here it is 3. Okay. So we will show it here only. Now next is 2,2. So 2 is here and 2 is here. So we will place it in front of 2 here. This much understood? Okay. Now next is 3,1. 3. Here it is 3 and 1. Here it is 1 somewhere. So we will show this here. This is 3,1. Now for equation first, we have plot all the 4 points here. Okay. Now you have to draw the line crossing all these points. Okay. So now we got the scale. So here we will, with the help of this scale, we will draw the line. So I am taking the red marker to draw this line. See, this line we get. Now we will write the equation of the line here. You have to write this. This is important. X plus y is equals to 4. Understood? Okay. Now for second equation, we will plot the points. Here for second equation, the ordered pairs are first is 0 comma minus 2. So see here minus 2 is there on y axis. This is x coordinate and y is minus 2 on y coordinate. Y coordinate is minus 2. So we will take minus 2 this side. This is our minus y axis. Okay. So here we will take 0 is here and minus 2 is here. So we will get 1 point somewhere here. Okay. This is your first point. First question 2. Now second is 1 comma 0. So here it is 1 and they are saying 0. So 0 on y axis only. Okay. So 1 comma 0 is where? 1 on x axis and y axis 0. So here only. Okay. It is 1 comma 0. Now next is 2 comma 2. So again 2 is here and 2 is here. So this is again we are getting 1 point for equation 2 also. Okay. Now next is 3 comma 4. So 3 is here and 4 is here. Okay. So we will draw this here somewhere. Now for second equation, we have 4 points. This 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what we are going to do? We have to draw the line passing through these points. Yes. So I am taking again red marker and we have to put this scale like this and we are going to draw here. So for this, question is 2x minus y equals to 2. So we will write here 2x minus y equals to 2. This is very important. You have to write. So see students, now the next step is find the point of intersection. Now what do we mean by intersection? Intersection means we have to find the point where these two lines are cutting each other or intersecting each other, crossing each other. So here you can find this is the point when these two lines are intersecting each other. Yes, crossing each other. So this point is what? See, this is the point. And this point is 2, 2. Here x-axis this is 2 and y-axis this is 2. See, suppose this is point P. So this point of intersection is 2, 2. Now this 2, 2 is the solution of these simultaneous linear equations. So we can write the solution is, in this way we are going to do the steps. As I told you, for drawing any graph for simultaneous linear equations, we will follow the steps. First step is find the ordered pair for both the equations. So for finding ordered pair, we will make this table. We have to draw the tables like this. We have to take the values of x, and then putting these values of x, we will get the values of y. So this table is prepared. Accordingly, we will write the ordered pairs, x coordinate, y coordinate. So these values we will get. For both equations, we will do the same thing. And after finding the ordered pairs on the graph paper, we will first draw the axis. We will show the numbers on the axis, and then we will plot these ordered pairs, these points on the graph paper. Okay. So after plotting these points, we will get the equation of two lines on the graph paper, and then we have to see where is the point of intersection. That will be the solution of those simultaneous given linear equations in two variables. This much understood? So this is the whole graphical method. In practice set 1.2, you will get question like solve the given simultaneous linear equation by graphical method. In exam, also you are getting question like this. Then you are going to solve according to this method. Now in the next lecture, I am going to discuss how to draw on the graph paper. So you can buy this graph, small graph notebook from the market. So we will do the questions on the graph paper from practice set. Okay. So in practice set 1.2, there is a question number 1, in which you have to complete fill in the blanks. Okay. So I am going to explain that. So see students, practice at 1.2, what is question here? First question is complete the following table to draw a graph of the equation. So here two equations are given, x plus y equals to 3 and x minus y equals to 4. So I told you when I have explained the graphical method that we have to find the ordered pair. So here exactly they are asking to do. We have to find the ordered pair here. So how we are going to do? As you can see here, one x value is here and one y value is here. Okay. So first column, it is 3 and second is fill in the blanks. So how you are going to do? That we will understand. See students, ये आपके last column में x y की value आपको दी हुई है. See, they are showing 3, 0. Yes. So from here you can understand that x की वैल्यू आपको दी हुई है और ये y की वैल्यू भी यहाँ पे दी हुई है. They are writing 0, 3, 0. तो हम clearly y की वैल्यू 0 पुट कर लेंगे. Isn't it? ऐसी लास्ट कॉलम जो है आपका, वहां पर x की वैल्यू आपको नहीं दी हुई है पर y की वैल्यू आपको 3 दी हुई है. बट इन ऑर्डर्ड पेयर लास्ट रो में उन्होंने 0,3 दिया है. सो इन दैट वे आपको यहाँ पर 0 भरना है. ठीक है. और ये आपका 3 है. अंडरस्टूड? सो ये जो बीच वाला कॉलम है दैट वी विल अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू डू. जैसे देखिए यहाँ पर हमने x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 3 लिखा हुआ है, तो y इक्वल टू 3 माइनस एक्स हम लिख सकते हैं। ओके, सो अब यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू सेकंड कॉलम में, फर्स्ट कॉलम में हमें दी हुई है 3 और हमें y की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी थी, तो हम यहाँ x की वैल्यू 3 पुट करेंगे एंड वी विल गेट y इज इक्वल टू 0, इजंट इट? ये हमारा y इज इक्वल टू 0 हमें मिल गया। नाउ अगेन सेकंड कॉलम में -2 है जहां पर, तो हम पे y की वैल्यू दी हुई थी, तो हमने क्या किया, x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 3 को सॉल्व किया, x इक्वल टू 3 माइनस वाई। अब यहाँ पर हम ये y की जो वैल्यू हमें -5 दी हुई, ये हमने रखी, तो हमें मिल गया x इक्वल टू, कॉलम भी आंसर आ गया। अभी थर्ड कॉलम में उन्होंने दोनों भी वैल्यूज हमें नीचे दिक्कत दे दी हुई है 0,3, सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल डायरेक्टली पुट 0 हियर, नो नीड टू सॉल्व। ओके, बिकॉज हमारा x कोऑर्डिनेट है फिर y कोऑर्डिनेट है, तो जो एक फर्स्ट वैल्यू है वो हम x वाले कॉलम में लिखेंगे और जो सेकंड वैल्यू है वो हम y वाले रो में लिखेंगे। ठीक है, अभी इसी तरह से सेकंड इक्वेशन के लिए x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू 4, यहाँ पर देखिए x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू 4 को वी कैन राइट x इज इक्वल टू 4 माइनस वाई। तो अभी फर्स्ट जो है वो y की वैल्यू 0 दी हुई है यहाँ पर, तो हम y की वैल्यू इस इक्वेशन में 0 रखेंगे एंड वी विल गेट x इक्वल टू 4। इन दिस सेम वे आपका सेकंड जो कॉलम है उसमें -1 वैल्यू दी हुई है x के लिए और y वी नीड टू फाइंड, तो हम क्या करेंगे, x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू 4, ये इक्वेशन में हम ये वैल्यू रख देंगे x की, तो ये हमने सॉल्व कर लिया, y इज इक्वल टू x माइनस 4, सो y x की वैल्यू -1 गिवन है, y is equals to -1 -4, so we will get y is equals to -5. So we will write here. Understood? So in this way, the last column they have already given 0, -4, so we will write 0, -4. So अभी आपको ये ऑर्डर्ड पेयर मिल जाएंगे, x, y में 3, 0, -2, 5, 0, 3. सेम वे आपको सेकेंड में मिल जाएगा x, y मिलेगा आपको 4, 0, -1, -5 and 0, -4. Okay, so this way this question is finished.